Yeah, sorry about the lighting. I've been compromised. I cannot find my light ring, but we're doing what we can. We're hoping for good things. Finally, I'm sitting down and I'm going to go over with you guys my third box from Miss to Mrs. While my sister was in town, she wanted to open up this box with me, and as my sister, maid of honor, I said, of course. So I got the camera and just wanted to get a little shot of us opening up the box together for the first time together, and the first time for this box.
Well, I
opened it without
I can see it because I'm not the one getting married.
And with this portion, you'll just see me reviewing the items and talking about them. Let's do it. So this box is full of wedding day essentials. Other than the list, it comes with 2 other cards. One is a to-do list for the party, like who does what. Who does what? Oh, this is another one for you. Because sometimes you don't know who's supposed to do what. A little alcohol calculator. Oh, this is cool. So not only does it tell you how much like a bottle can serve in cups, but it also says here like how many of what you should have for the amount of guests that you have invited. These little cards, man, are just super helpful. This is also cute. Little sleepy sleep. I love this. It is a eye mask for when you sleep, and it says wifey on it, just like on my cute little hat from the last box. It's really soft and silky and puffy. I really love the feel and quality of it. I will surely use this on my wedding day. I have makeup on, so I don't know if I should put it on my eyes, but this is what it would look like on my head. It's a 10 out of 10. These are little vow books, and for some reason I thought these were passport covers. This is what I think it is. A little passport. Nope. Wait, is it actually a passport thing?
Looks like a notepad.
Oh, these are our vows. What am I? These are vow booklets for each person. Passport covers, like Mrs. and Mr. and all that, but it says vows. I don't know if we'll use these ones for like the day of the wedding, but I could definitely use this to jot up some ideas on what I want to say for my vows, or however John and I are gonna do it. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. There's these little slippers.
And then tiny shoesies. Little shoesies.
I like that.
Well, they're for when your feet get really uncomfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll use those for dancing. By the way, you guys didn't see, but it actually comes in this like little bow right here. Look at them. I love this because your feet as the bride are gonna hurt within like 2 to 3 hours in those high heels. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want to take my shoes off. I've never tried these on. They fit! Like, how do I review this? 10 out of 10. Next is this car stencil. Whoa, where's the front? There we go. Little car stencil. What is... Oh, this is a car window decoration thing.
The decal.
The decal. Decal.
So it looks... Oh, it's actually cute.
Ooh.
It says...
Just married. That's actually really cute. I would hope we could use this because this is actually pretty cool. You put this on the back of your car and people know that you got married. Would we actually use that though? Like, I'm sure John and I will use that.
It's cute, or you can put it on your like, you can put it on your window or like your house window.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh la la. We have these. Ooh. What are these? These hair clips?
It's a garter.
You put it on your leg.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cute. These are wedding garters. Wedding garters. We know how they work. The bride wears them on her leg and that's all we need to know. I mean, these are nice. I mean, unless I find some other ones, I would definitely want to wear a wedding garter for my wedding day. I think that would be fun. Feeling sexy without anybody knowing.
What are these?
Oh, I think they're for like the bottom of the heel, so you don't like step through the grass. I don't know. Now these are teeny tiny. What are they?
Acrylic. Oh, these are
heel protectors. They're for
Oh.
your shoes.
Heel protectors.
These are
Heel protectors.
These are heel protectors. If you're wearing high heels like you will be for your wedding, which I will be as well, you're gonna need these if you're walking on grass. Your heels can puncture through the grass and the dirt. I've experienced that before at weddings. It's not ideal to have to worry about that stuff. So when you're wearing these guys, that protects you from going through the ground. And I'll probably wanna wear these because there is gonna be grass. The last thing in my box is this aesthetically pleasing card and gift sign.
And these are card holders.
Wait, how does that work?
Oh, it goes like this. Gifts and cards.
Oh, it's a little sign.
Like that.
Ooh,
It's actually cute.
I'd actually use that. That's actually, it will match my aesthetic. You put right here. Stands like that. This is something I actually want to use because it matches my aesthetic to my wedding so nicely, but it's also simple and it's here. Like, we haven't really figured out what kind of signs we wanted for certain things, so this is a good start wanting to use this. After thinking it over for about 10 seconds, I would say my first favorite item would be this eye mask for sleeping. I can see myself definitely using this following up to my wedding day. Now I would say my second favorite item in this box would be these little dance slippers that I will for sure be using because I want to dance and this is the best solution. By the way, 7 more months until I get married! And I can say that I'm getting married this summer. It's exciting. By the way, thank you so much, Shea, for being a part of this little snippet of a video with me and opening up the box with me. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys are having an amazing new year, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Can we have
Bye.